Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning students. In this video we are going to discuss about pH factor, importance of pH in our life, then mathematical expression of pH, then some more numerical problems solved for pH, then what is the relationship between pH and pOH. All these things comes under unit number 11 by name called types of chemical reaction. So come let us learn something today. So I am giving some example here. See what is this? Good. Sulfuric acid. What is this? Hydrochloric acid. Good. Then what is this? Magnesium hydroxide. Then this calcium hydroxide. Yes. All these things is considered as acid. Hydrochloric acid and sulfuric acid. Even this is nitric acid. This is considered as base. How I said easily means based on one important factor, that is hydrogen. So this contains hydrogen ions and this contains hydroxyl ions. So based on the hydrogen ions and hydroxyl ions, acids and bases are identified. So let me give what is the definition of acid. So acid is nothing but any substance which furnishes means gives hydrogen ions concentration while or when dissolved in water. So if you dissolve in water, if it gives hydrogen ions, then it is an acid. Similarly, any substance which furnishes hydroxyl ions when dissolved in water. So if you dissolve in water, it gives a hydrogen ions means it is an acid. If it gives hydroxyl ions means it is a base. So how I can write? I can write like this: H plus ions concentration, OH minus ions concentration. These are the factor which describes whether the given substance is an acid or base. So this hydrogen ion concentration is referred with a term called pH. Then hydroxyl ion concentration is referred by a factor called pOH. What is this P and H? How we can means? In German, P refers for potence. Potence means power. So power of hydrogen ion concentration and power of hydroxyl ion concentration, which refers as here acid and base. So this pH factor is very important in our daily life too, because any substance whether it is acid or base, it is described with the help of pH value. What is that pH value? pH is nothing but a scale which was found by a scientist called Sorensen. It is nothing but it has a values from 1 to 14. That's all. See, it is here. He has given this pH scales indicator. It starts from 0 to 14. These things we will learn while we are doing practical in this session. How to identify the acid and base based on the pH value, I will explain here. Before that, how the pH is referred, mathematical expression means negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration. This is for pH. How we can write pOH? pOH is written as negative logarithm of OH minus ions. In simple concept, we can write minus log base 10 of hydrogen ion concentration refers for pH, and minus log base 10 of hydroxyl ion concentration refers as pOH. Then what is the relationship between pH and pOH? While we add pH plus pOH, it should be a total value of 14, which is expressed in the pH scale. Hope you understand this concept. So what is pH factor and mathematical expression and pH and pOH relation I explained here. So what is the importance of pH in our daily life, we can learn in this video. In another video we can learn how to solve the numerical problems of pH. So what is the role of pH in our daily life? It is very interesting one. See, the pH level of blood is a range of 7.35 to 7.45. The ideal one is 7.4 is the pH value. If it decrease, you will get diseases. For example, if it comes the pH as below 6, we will be affected by viral fever. This is very important one. What about a digestive system? We know that our stomach contains an acid that is called hydrochloric acid. It is useful for digestion. Its value is pH value is 2. If the pH value decreases during indigestion, more and more acid will be created in our body, that is in our stomach, so which causes some irritation and pain in our stomach. So pH value for stomach is also very important one. Not only that, soil of agriculture, this is very important. Even pH value is useful in soil. For example, citrus fruits means like lemon, orange, like that type of fruit, that is citric acid fruit. We need alkaline soil. Alkaline soil means base soil. Okay. Whereas for rice, we need acidic soil. That is, its pH value of the soil should be lower than 7. So acidic soil. What about for sugar cane? It should be a neutral one. That is, the pH should be exactly of 7. Then what about in teeth? See, the teeth is white in color because it contains of calcium phosphate. That calcium phosphate is maintained with the help of value of pH should be 5.5. If it decreases its value, our tooth will become decay. So that's why we are using toothpaste to make it as a base always, to maintain its basicity. Last one, pH in water. For example, even the pure water, rainwater, its pH value is 7. The factories which create sulfur dioxide, then nitrogen dioxide, which goes to the cloud, and it makes the water as nitric acid and sulfuric acid. See, now the oxides has become acids when it combines with rain water. So rain plus acid gives acid rain. So these are some of the factors that determines the daily uses of pH in our life. So simply an indication that pH is a very important factor in our body to maintain these things for a proper life. So hope you understand. In next video we are going to learn about a numerical problems solving regarding pH. Thank you for watching.